Pretty deep, huh?
And this part is like filled with snow. Yeah, I was sitting on the snow. Hey, almost worked.
The new sled hit the neighbor's house.